and welcome to this animal company. So this is I think my third animal company video where we're gonna be trying to kill the big mama piñata. Oh, so I'm gonna be showing two things in this episode because we're gonna be using the new egg launcher. Look at this thing. Wait, let me get it. Look at this thing. It launches these eggs. So we're gonna try this all out on the piano. So we're gonna pack some ammo. We're gonna grab a bag. I'm gonna bag ammo. So we're gonna buy some egg ammo. I'm gonna buy about 5 of these. And then we got 2 normal ammo. I'm gonna come back once we run out. Oh yeah, somebody gave this to me, but this is a piñata sword. I don't know what do these do. I don't know anything about these, but they said it's good for killing the piñata. So I have the rocket launcher. This gonna get a rocket. We're gonna just go. So let's start going to the piñata. So I think this is my first time. I only heard about it, so I don't know anything about this piñata right now. So we're gonna go check out. I heard that there's like this big mama, and it gives you a lot of stuff. So that's why this video is about killing the big mama. So I'm way too heavy right now. It's hard to move. Do not enter, whatever. Let me just move on. Okay. I'm gonna try to get on this thing. Oh, rocket launcher, please don't kill me. Let's go! Yay! Okay. So be careful. There's a lot of landmines, and this rocket launcher could sabotage me. Keep going. Okay, another pan. Let's try this one. Let's go! Okay. This is where the big mama is, but I think the overseer, so we have to be careful while we're trying to kill this guy. Okay, don't tell him he sees me. Okay. Oh wait, the mother piano has babies. Oh my god. I wonder. Start going. Why is he here? He's gone. First, we're gonna try nuking this guy with eggs, and then we're gonna try. Oh my god, we got him. Okay. Take it, ammo. That's not ammo. Got him with that. It didn't do any damage to him. Oh, I can get maybe. Okay, I have maybe some more. Yeah, I do. Oh, he's after me. This guy's looking up for some reason. Away. All my stuff is over there. We go get it. And there's more ammo. Oh, piñata, piñata, come over here. Oh, they're both together. I did okay. I missed. This is. Oh, 2 more ammo. Good. Good so far. Yes. Direct hit. Maybe if I can I'll try nuking it one more time. No, dang it. Let's try putting one more ammo. I killed him! Okay. I think we're out of ammo, so I'm going to B. We have this here. Time for killing mode. We're gonna try to grab this thing. And collect all the things it left. Oh my god! This is the... This guy, I got it stuck! I got it stuck! There's so much! Oh my god! It's going everywhere! Oh my god! Guys, we have to go! He's coming towards us. It spawned every single monster! I can't believe you guys couldn't see that! Wait! I can't, I was so unlucky that I didn't have a camera! I was so unlucky because you missed all that stuff. It spawned, I feel like almost, because it spawned this guy, it spawned the angler. Oh, he's chasing me! Oh, the angler, and he's coming. Please move, dude. Back up. Maybe I can get him over here. Let me get this. What? Is this real case? I have no more ammo, guys! Guys, this is bad. We're gonna need to get a rocket launcher. Cause there's so much back there. And I can't get any of the money if they're there. I don't want to lose all that money because I think it could despawn because it would make sense. And there's so much of them. That should get me up a lot so I can buy more rocket launchers. Or so I can make more videos for you guys. So we're gonna need a rocket launcher. We'll get this one. And we're gonna start coming after them. If literally he comes all the way from over there, that's crazy. That was it Greg? Comes over here. Is there giants coming over here too? He came like he's coming up. He's literally. I almost hit mine. I don't want to waste it on him, to be honest. But he's going that direction. He knows it. If I can, he literally is going my direction. Can't dodge him. I have to keep going. Maybe. He's literally staring me to the death. Oh my god, guys, I died. Okay, wait. I didn't even hit it. Why? Okay. Let's try not dying today. That is not dying. That's something else. That's dying. That's not dying. Why do I keep dying to the mines now? I keep hitting a landmine and then boom, kaboom. Death goes on. I landed on a landmine. Of course. Just get me over there. This is gonna be like the 6th time. And my stuff is gonna be gone. That sword, I need it! I have to not and oh no, fine. I see my stuff. I don't see the sword though. Did I just lose the sword? I have to find it. I don't have. Somebody gave it to me, and I don't know. Oh, found one. Yes. Okay, I'm prepared. This time, for anything. I just need to have them all go together. Just gonna walk by here. That gave me a huge massive boost when I killed that. I have to go get some more ammo because I literally killed nobody. Dang it. Wait, maybe I could have used the plane to get back. Right here. Okay. Let's go! Okay, I have to kill the piñata again. And get all the money. But I think this may be the end of the video. Because I already got enough. I didn't get it on camera, but this is bye guys, see you later. Something happened, that's why I ended like this.